How to reset Facebook video recommendations. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook, click on three lines located at top right corner of your screen. In there, scroll down to Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings. In here, scroll down and then click on Activity. Simply click on Activity Log. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, scroll down to Logged Information. As you can see, Logged Information, and then click on Manage Search. You'll find all these options pop up. Click on Filter at the top, and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply select Categories and then your search history. Click on Clear Searches at the top. After doing that, this is how to reset Facebook video recommendations. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.